FeiyuTech resolution. Solution: the motor power is too strong, please readjust it. Click motor power on the screen. Click Auto Tune. Start Auto Tune. Wait a moment, then complete the Auto Tune to automatically adjust the motor power. The resonance problem persists after Auto Tune the motor power. Solution: install the lens holder. Check that each locking knob is tight. It is suggested to lift the camera slightly when tightening the fixed knob. Gimbal constantly vibrates in low frequency, or the strength of gimbal is weak. Solution: appropriately increase the power of the motor. Click Auto Tune on the screen. Increase the motor power of each axis appropriately. The gimbal is not balanced. Please refer to the tutorial video of gimbal balancing to rebalance the gimbal. The motor is not unlocked when you turn on it. Solution: be sure to check whether each motor lock is unlocked before turning on the gimbal. Otherwise, gimbal will enter sleep mode for motor protection after powering on. Turn on without balancing. Turn on without balancing the motor forcibly corrected. It will damage the motor. In serious unbalanced conditions, the gimbal will enter sleep mode to protect itself. Solution: please refer to the tutorial video of gimbal balancing to rebalance the gimbal. What should I do if the camera tilted? The camera tilted when I turn on the gimbal. Solution: swipe left on the main screen. Enter gimbal settings. Click horizontal calibration. Click auto calibration. Place the stabilizer on a level surface. Click to start auto calibration. It will be finished in a moment. What should I do if I can't turn the slide arm lock knob? When balancing the stabilizer, you may encounter an issue that you cannot turn the slide arm lock knob. Solution: try to see if you can move the side arm. If it can be moved, it means that the slide arm lock knob is in the unlock state. Please turn the slide arm lock knob in the opposite direction, locking direction. If the side arm cannot be removed, it means that the lock knob is in a locked state. Please also turn the slide arm lock knob in the opposite direction, unlocking direction. If the problem is still unresolved, please try to wrap the lock knob with a towel and repeat the above solution again. Thanks for watching.